Let me show you how to connect Instagram Analytics to Claude and use it to analyze your social media performance. I'll start by copying the MCP server URL from the Insightful Pipe guide page. Now I'll switch to Claude and open the settings menu. From here, I'll navigate to connectors where I can add custom MCP servers. I'll click Add Custom Connector, paste the Instagram MCP URL and give it a name. Then I'll click Add to create the connector. Now I need to click Connect to start the authorization process. This opens the OAuth page where I'll grant Claude permission to access my Instagram data. Now let's put this to work. I'll start a new chat and ask Claude to act as a social media analyst, reviewing my last 5 posts, identifying patterns in my top and bottom performers, and suggesting a content strategy for my next 10 posts. Claude is now querying my Instagram data directly through the MCP connection, analyzing engagement metrics, and ranking my posts by performance. Here's the analysis. Claude pulled my actual post data and created a performance breakdown showing that my comedy and glow-up content significantly outperforms tutorial content. It even identified patterns in my bottom performers and generated a complete 10-post content strategy with specific themes and caption approaches. All of this powered by real data from my Instagram account, connected directly through the MCP server.